Namaste, my name is Natalie Williams. Welcome to or back to my yoga YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to do some stretches for the neck. Let's go ahead and get started. Pulling your ears over your shoulders, shoulders over your hips to find a nice good posture. Take a deep inhale and exhale. One more time, deep inhale. And exhale. Then roll the shoulders up, back and down, warming them up a little bit, all the way, pulling them up towards your ears, then squeezing your scapula back and then rolling them down. A few more times, up and around. We're warming up those big muscles around the neck, all the way. Pause. And let's go the other direction, up and over. Feel free to bring your elbows if you'd like with it, whatever feels most comfortable. Then let's lift up nice and tall. If you can, close your eyes if it feels comfortable. Relax your jaw and just take a moment just to feel your body. Your neck muscles are very small muscles compared to other muscles in your body. So you want to make sure everything you're doing is very gentle. And a little stretch is actually a big stretch for those muscles. Take a deep inhale. And lift up. Imagine that you have an imaginary string lifting you up, 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 nice and tall, stacking one vertebrae at a time. Finding that good posture here. Go ahead and drop your chin to your chest and hold it down here for a moment. Then gently roll each ear to each shoulder, slow and steady. No rush, back and forth. Then lift up, back to a neutral spine here. Place your hands behind your head, pull the elbows back, lift the chin up, and just take a moment just to look up comfortably. Pull back the elbows, deep inhale here, chin up. And then exhale, we're gonna bring the chin to your chest. Gently, very gently pulling on the back of your head, bringing the elbows together, chin towards the chest. Then inhale, open up the elbows, lift your heart up, shoulders back, and exhale, back down. Inhale, open, and exhale, back down. Then relax the arms down by your sides. Drop your chin to your chest, and I'm nearing you. Roll your left ear to your left shoulder and hang out here. Then we're gonna take this right arm and bring it out to the side and relax it. Holding your left ear to your left shoulder, try to relax that right shoulder down. Keeping your left ear to the left shoulder, but this time we're gonna bring the chin down towards the ground and you'll feel the shift of the stretch back to your neck, holding it down. Keeping that left ear to the left shoulder. Gently shift your chin up. And then gently drop your chin to your chest and roll your right ear to your right shoulder and hold it here. Take a deep inhale and exhale and try to relax this left shoulder, so pressing it down. Deep inhale and exhale. Then go ahead and take your chin, keep your right ear over here, and drop it down to the ground just to have a little bit of a back shift stretch. Make sure you're not going too far in this. And then gently shift your chin up to the sky, and you'll feel it a little bit more of a stretch in the front. Then gently roll your chin to your chest, back to neutral. Then roll each ear to each shoulder again, back and forth. Then chin comes up, looking up to center, and then look over that left shoulder. See how far back you can go comfortably. Deep inhale and exhale. It's really important to have neck flexibility so that you're not turning your whole body for something that might startle you. For example, can set off your balance, or if you're driving, you turn. So keep in mind, this is all for good reason. Keeping your looking over the shoulder, shift your chin down to the ground, but still look over that shoulder. And try to relax this right arm all the way down, down, down. Then very gently, if it feels comfortable, chin comes up and lean back. You'll feel a little bit more of a shift into the front, still looking over. Then coming to the center and look over the right shoulder, all the way over as far as comfortable. Do you notice if one side has a little bit more flexibility than the other? Then drop your chin to the ground, looking over this right shoulder still, and turn back as much as comfortable. Then look up and turn if it's comfortable for the neck. Then come back to center. And drop your chin to your chest. If you feel comfortable and don't have any neck issues, you can go all the way around in a circle if it's comfortable. And then go ahead and stop in any place that feels extra good. And then inhale, lift up. And go ahead and take your left hand and bring it behind your right shoulder. And give yourself just a little bit, they're little squeeze massages. It is helping warming up the muscles, releasing any trigger points. If you feel anything that's a little hard, you can gently hold it in your muscle a little bit. And behind the neck. You can squeeze your shoulder. Just little massages all throughout the neck. And then coming to the center and switch, bring your right hand behind your left shoulder, little massages. Maybe even into the shoulder, around in the back, behind the neck. And then from here, your fingers are going to come behind. You have a little bone that sticks out on the base of your spine. It's the occipital, and it holds a lot of tension. So take your fingers and massage your neck, back, back, back. And if you can, just look up and gently rest your hands, applying pressure to the occipital. And then if you'd like to, you can give your head a little bit of massage. You have fascia in your body, it keeps everything together, muscular, all around. You're just warming it up, trying to bring it up a little bit, relax it, and release any built-up tension in your body. Feel free to massage everywhere if you'd like, whatever feels good. Maybe the back of your neck now, all the way to the front of your neck muscles, even if your chest if you'd like to. And then we're gonna go ahead and just relax. Close your eyes and just find your awareness around your neck. Does it feel a little bit more relaxed? Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more deep inhale and exhale. Bring your hands to your heart. Take a moment just to sit in silent gratification of everything that you're grateful for. And take a deep inhale in and exhale out. The light within me honors the light within you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope this helps release your neck tension a little bit. If you like this video, please look below and subscribe. Thanks so much.